Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about Huawei's upcoming Pura 80 smartphones and when you might be able to get your hands on them. If you've been waiting for these new phones, here's what you need to know. Huawei has already announced that the Pura 80 series will launch next month, but now, a new leak suggests that the actual first sale of these phones might not happen right away. It could be pushed to July instead. So, people may have to wait a little longer before they can buy one. A well-known tipster on Weibo, going by the name of Fixed Focus, shared this update. According to him, the Pura 80 series will go on sale in July 2025. Interestingly, this matches an earlier rumor we heard that said Huawei would release these new phones sometime in the third quarter of this year. The latest leak also mentions that Huawei plans to officially reveal the Pura 80 series by the end of June. While the company has confirmed the launch month, it hasn't shared the exact date yet, so we might see a big event at the end of June where Huawei will show off these new phones. On top of that, another tipster mentioned a possible release date of June 10th, but even if that happens, it seems like these phones won't be widely available until July. That means even if the phones are announced in June, customers will need to wait a few more weeks before they can actually buy them. Now, we should remember that these dates aren't official yet. The information could still change. Huawei hasn't confirmed anything besides the launch month. The company is expected to release more details and probably a teaser video soon, so we'll need to stay tuned for official news. There's also something interesting about this sales timeline, because if the Pura 80 series gets delayed, it might push back other Huawei products too. For example, the Huawei Mate 80 series, which many people have been waiting for, could also get delayed. Some rumors say it might launch in December, while others suggest it might get pushed all the way to 2026. That would be a long wait for Huawei fans. Now, why is Huawei possibly delaying these phone sales? Some people believe it's part of a new business strategy. Instead of selling their phones right after launch, Huawei might be waiting to avoid extra attention from US officials. As you know, Huawei has been dealing with strict trade rules and extra checks on its Kirin chip. By spacing out the sale, they might be trying to avoid problems. Of course, these are just guesses. Nothing is clear yet. We'll likely get more information in the coming days and weeks. As always, I'll keep you posted. But wait, it's not just the Pura 80 phones that Huawei fans should be excited about. There are also rumors about other products coming soon. Huawei is expected to launch the Watch 5 series next month too. Plus, we might see new MatePad tablets and some fresh wireless earbuds announced alongside the Pura 80 phones. So, to sum it all up, Huawei's Pura 80 series is officially launching next month, but the actual sale might not happen until July. The exact release date is still a mystery, but leaks suggest June 10th could be a possible launch day. Along with the phones, other products like smartwatches and tablets could make their debut too. If you're a Huawei fan, this is definitely something to watch out for. I'll keep bringing you the latest updates as soon as we get them. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe for more tech news, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.